today I am doing another video in my backyard, and I'm going to be shooting the z200 shotgun. It's a Splatmaster gun. It's like a paintball gun. I have not shot this yet. Today I went to DMZ and I finally bought the paintballs. 500 and 1,000. I'm not going to be shooting even 500 today, but I'm going to be shooting a couple, like, I don't know, maybe 10 or 20. Actually 30, because this can hold 15 darts in its little thingy. So, I'm going to open this on camera. I just got back from buying these. It took me so long because I took like 3 wrong turns on my skateboard. Oh, but it was fun. I'm back, I opened it, I just kind of made a little hole in it, and now we need to put this under there, and now we can load it. Okay, so the way you load it is take this little thingy, put it up, and then has this little dimplet in it, so put it up, and then put it into the dimplet. If you have big hands, it's kind of difficult, but it's not that hard for me because I have tiny fingers. Okay, then you put this thing down and you put the paintballs in. So I'm going to take out 5 paintballs and load them. So take it, put it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And take 5 more. You should have dry hands when doing this, or else it's going to happen to you the same thing that's happening to me right now. That, well, pretty much what's happening to me is that the paintballs are slowly melting in my hands as I'm putting them in. So I'm getting a little bit of residue on them, but it's not that big of a deal for me. But for clean freaks, you know, that's probably a big deal. I wouldn't know, because I'm not a clean freak at all. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's 15, I hope. So let me just close the door, and it's loaded. Put the camera down. Let me just zoom in a little bit, and yeah, you can actually better, I think, much better. Never mind. Okay, the target fell. I'm just gonna leave it. I don't really care. Okay, so I'm just gonna shoot these. Okay, the first shot I'm gonna stand really close because I don't know how accurate this is. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's not safe. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Stand backwards. That was fun. Very fun. Okay, 15 more shots. One of those paintballs, I might have shot one of those paintballs over the fence, and I may not know where it landed, but that's okay. Okay. Oh, so much fun. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, something, I don't know what happened, but it somehow deleted everything that I did, so I think I have one more round in here. Do I have one more ball? Yes, I have one more ball. So, what I'm gonna try to hit is, I'm just gonna put the target like sitting up, just kind of right like that, and I'm just gonna try to hit the bullseye with this one last shot. 3, 2, 1. I missed. Wait, what? I reload. What happened? Okay, there are 2 balls left, and I didn't know. So I have 2 last chances to hit that. Oh, I hit it, barely. I missed. That's the end of my paintballs. Yep, that's the end of them. Well, I just shot, how many? 45 paintballs. So I'm just gonna take 5 more and just completely Rambo at that target. 3, 2, 1. What the f? Whenever I hit the target, it just like bounced them. It's so weird. Did this even crack? It didn't even crack. Okay, that's it, man. You asked for it. You completely asked for it. What? No, there's no way. It didn't break. You know what? I'm just gonna open this. Boom. There's a spider sitting right there on the target. I'm just gonna shoot that spider. Dead spider. Why did the spider look? It's dead. And another ball that I shot at it that I hit pretty well. Same thing happened. That it just like bounced somewhere. But I think that one cracked, so. Oh, but that's crazy weird. That it just wouldn't crack. Do I have any balls? No, I don't have any balls left. Okay. Well, I'll get this off my neck. That's the end of the video. So, bye guys.